सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यो मुनिभ्यः गुरुभ्यः क्षन्तव्योऽस्मि। नमस्कारः। We have skipped 2 classes due to some unavoidable circumstance. A class which was supposed to be held on Monday is being held today on 14th of February 2014. 1414, prefixing 14 and suffix is also 14 in between February 2nd today. And we are going through a variety of nouns, as you know. The book is introducing you to different endings of nouns in vowels and consonants. In the previous class we studied one descriptive essay-like thing, Bharatasya Pratishte Dve. We have finished that. India's reputation is dependent on 2 things. One is Sanskritam and Samskruti and the culture. Sanskrit and culture, these are the 2 Pratishthe, the fames, the prestige of the Indian tradition culture. So over to the page 36 to Srinivas. Avadheyam, now to be noted here, Varsham means Deshaha. Varsham need not mean rain, Varsham also means Deshaha, country. Bharata Varsham, as in the word Bharata Varsham, means Bharata Deshaha. Subhashitani, some Subhashitas are introduced here. Samskritam Nama Daivi Vak. Now this is a line of famous Mahakavi in Sanskrit, Dandi Mahakavi. Samskritam Nama Daivi Vak Anvakhyata Maharshivih. Dandi, there is a Mahakavi by name Dandi. Like we have Pancha Mahakavyas, Pancha Mahakavis. 5 great works and 5 great poets, one being Kalidasa and Bhasa, and then this person Dandi is also one Mahakavi, one of the 5. So he says in his work, Samskritam Nama Daivi Vak. Sanskrit is a divine speech, divine language. Anvakhyata Maharshibhi. It is declared by the Maharshis, great sages. Great sages have declared Sanskrit to be a divine language. So that is the meaning here. Now what is divine about it? We have already analyzed it. Interpretation goes to establish that God is Daivi Vak means Deva Bhasha, as we say. If it is the language of the Deva Bhasha, how is it spoken by the men? The doubt comes. So Deva refers to scholar. Vidvamso vai Devaha. Deva means Vidwan. So Vidusham Bhasha. Samskritam Nama Vidusham Bhasha. Ataha Vidvamsaha eva Devaha. Ataha Deva Bhasha iti uchyate. So that is a line here. Samskritam Nama Daivi Vak. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which I have explained in detail in the previous class, which is there in on the seat above the Lok Sabha speaker in Parliament, Indian Parliament. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family to the large-minded, large-hearted, broad-minded people, whereas petty-minded people consider people on the basis of region, language, caste, etc. But to the broad-minded people, Vasudha Eva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. That is one Subhashitam. Janani Janma Bhumicha Swargadapi Gariyasi, which we have come across in this lesson, which is sometimes ascribed to, Valmiki Ramayana, but it is said it is not there in Valmiki's Ramayana. Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi, already explained. Janani, mother, Janmabhumihi, motherland, Swargadapi Gariyasya are more superior to even heaven. One's mother and motherland are more superior to even the heaven. Bharatasya pratishte dve samskritam samskritis tatha. So this also we have come across in this lesson. India's prestige are two things or prestige. One is Samskritam, the language Sanskrit, and Samskritihi, the culture. And Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreschaiva dakshinam varsham tad bharatam nama bharati yatra santati. So this poem gives the location of India, where India is located, situated. Uttaram yat samudrasya, that which is located to the north of the Bay of Bengal, Samudra, sea, Himadreschaiva Dakshinam, and which is situated to the Dakshina, means south of the Himalayas. That is, Himalayas are in the north, whereas this country is situated in the south, Dakshinam. Varsham tad Bharatam, that is called the Bharata Varsham, that is called the Bharata Desha. Nama, Bharati Yatra Santati, where the Indian lineage is living, Indian heritage lineage is there. Varsham tad Bharatam Nama, Bharati Yatra Santatihi, where the Santatihi lineage is Bharati, is Indian, very much Indian. So these are the Subhashitas, a few lines of good sayings are given at the end of this lesson. We go over to Abhyasa 14, Srinivas, 37 page. Patadharena Riktasthanani Purayata. Now fill in the blanks on the basis of the lesson. Now Samskrita Bhasha Bharatiya Bhashanam Asti. Now whatever this descriptive lesson we studied, Janani Asti. So Samskrita Bhasha Bharatiya Bhashanam Janani Asti means Sanskrit is the mother of Indian languages. Bharatiya, Indian, Bhashanam, of Indian languages, Samskrita Bhasha, Sanskrit language, Janani Asti is the mother. Second one, Shruti Nam Ashayam Pratipadayanti. So from the descriptive story, study, we have to take Smrutayaha. Smrutihi, Smruti, Smrutayaha. Now, as we talked of this, Srinivas, in the previous class, Shruti is Veda, Smruti is the later part of our study, Smruti, or the Dharma. Smrutis are so what is the thing that is said about these two? Both the words are feminine in nature. Shruti is Ikaranta Strilinga, Smruti is Ikaranta Strilinga. So whatever the Vedas, Shruti means Vedas propound, whatever the Vedas teach, the same thing is established by the Smruti. Like Yajnavalkya Smruti, and there are many Smrutis, but the description we have already, Manu Smruti and Yajnavalkya Smruti are law books. Smrutis are law books, Indian law books. So they also establish whatever is said in the Vedic literature. So Shruti Nam Ashayam, the intention, the idea, the purpose of the Vedas is established by these Smrutis. So Smrutayaha Pratipadayanti, that is the word you have to fill in. Third one, Pashunam Pakshinam Api Bhavanti. Vanyaha Bhavanti. We will write these simple sentences, words later. Pashunam Pakshinam Api Vanyaha Bhavanti means Pashu, the animals, and also the birds they too have Vanyaha languages, tongues, they too have. The animals converse, the birds also converse. They have their languages. Vanyaha. How is Vanyaha derived? It was Vani, Vanyav, Vanya. Read fourth. Shabda Rashi Bhashayaha Tanuhu Asti. Shabda Rashi means vocabulary. Okay? Shabda Rashi Bhashayaha Tanuhu Asti. Tanuhu means body. Now this is also there in the lesson. What is the body of a language? The body of a language is its vocabulary. Okay? The vocabulary of a given particular language is its body. शब्द राशिः समूहः भाषायाः तनुः शरीरः अस्ति भवति शरीरं भवति. Okay, then the fifth one, सर्वाः dash कुटुम्बरूपाः भवन्ति भुवः सर्वाः भुवः, all the worlds here, world bhuvah kutumba they are like one's own family. So we may repeat otherwise if instead of writing. The first dash is to be filled up by janani. Okay? Second one smrtayaha. Third one vanyaha. Fourth one tanuhu asti. Fifth one bhuvaha kutumba rupaha bhavanti. And we go down to the second type of exercise here. Adho likitanam prashnanam uttaram likata. Write the answer of the following questions. Ke dve smriti prasiddhe staha. These questions are based on the same descriptive study. Ke dve smriti prasiddhe staha. Watch, the question is very worth watching. Is K, it could be masculine plural, could be feminine dual, could be neuter dual. Ka, ke, kaha, if you take it in feminine gender. If you take it in pullinga, kaha, kau, ke, it is, if it is this interrogative pronoun, if it is taken in masculine gender, it is plural. If it is taken as a feminine pronoun, interrogative pronoun, then it is dual. If it is taken as a neuter pronoun also, it is dual. K, dve. Dve is also following. Smruti. Now look at the noun that is important here. Smrutihi, smruti. And the plural would be smrutayaha. So smruti, the word smruti being dvivachana, K and dve are dvivachana. Not because K is dvivachana, smruti is dvivachana. No. In a sentence, Sanskrit sentence, the noun is all the more important. And the pronouns and the adjectives, they all follow suit. They go by the noun. And look at the verb also. The participle verb also going with it. Prasiddhe. No, prasiddhe. Prasiddha is adjective, verbal adjective. Tanta, verb it is. But used as adjective. Prasiddha. So since it is dve, prasiddhe. Prasiddha, prasiddhe, prasiddha. Like Rama, Rame, Rama. Sorry. Ke dve smruti. Only smruti is not going as smrute. Smruti is derived in its own way. Smruti is smruti. Prasiddhe. And finally the regular verb, auxiliary verb, staha is there. Asti staha. What are the two famous smrutis? This is the meaning of this question. What are the two famous smrutis? So we have to take the answer from the description. Manusmrutihi Yajnavalka smrutihi iti dve prasiddhe smrutayah prasiddhe staha iti dve prasiddhe smruti iti dve smruti prasiddhe staha. Do you think to pen down? You know? Huh? Later, okay. Second sentence question. Chaturdashasu bhuvaneshu ke dve prasiddhe. There is a bhuva is there. Yeah. Bhuva. Yeah. Ke dve bhuvau prasiddhe staha. Well, this question also has to be very carefully understood, Srinivas. Chaturdashasu. This is a numerical number. Dashasu saptami. Bhuvaneshu saptami bahuvachana. Ke dve, which two? Ke dve, like the first question. Ke dve, which two? bhuvau. Like there smruti came, smruti shabda. Smruti is smruti here. Bhuhu, bhuvau. Two words. Dvivachana. Bhuvau prasiddhe staha. It is just like the previous question. Only change is bhuvau and another two words are there. Chatur dashasu bhuvaneshu. So the answer is given in the description. Bhurlokaha swargalokascheti dve bhuvane prasiddhe dve bhuvau prasiddhe staha. Bhurlokaha bhuhulokaha swargalokascheti dve bhuvau prasiddhe staha. So that is how you should take. Dve bhuvau. Is it clear or shall I repeat? What is it?
Which paragraph?
Huh?
In which paragraph?
We are second question, na? 37 page. Oh, this answer, you are looking for the answer. In the beginning only. Bhulokaha. Not good. This is not exactly in the same form. Huh? So we have to Chaturdasha. Here the answer is, come to 35 page. Sanskrit, last paragraph, look at Samskrita Vangmaye Chaturdashanam Bhuvananam Ullekaha Asti. Vayam Yasmin Loke Nivasamaha, the world we are living in, Tasya Nama Bhuhu Asti. Asmakam Samskritau Sarvaha Bhuva Kutumba Rupaha Bhavanti. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakamiti Asmakam Smritehe Bijam Asti. Janma Bhumihe Asmakam Krute Devatavat Puja Vandaniya cha bhavati. So what is the question saying? Chaturdash bhuvaneshu ke dve bhuvau prasiddhau. So that is given to understand here, not there. Bhuloka and Bhuvarloka. It is not given exactly. So something away from that, therefore you have the doubt. Your doubt is genuine. We will write out then. Huh? Then third one. Kaha samsarasya rajjavaha bhavanti. Now this is there on the 35 page, Srinivas. You can show them on the monitor also. Shabda Rashi Bhashayaha Tanu Bhavati. Samskrita Bhashayaha Shabda Samruddhihi Tasyaha Tanum Alankaroti. Pritihi Snehaha Asha Trushna Asaktihi Ityetaha Samsare Rajjavaha Bhavanti. This is the answer for this. Kaha Samsarasya Rajjavaha Bhavanti means Pritihi Snehaha Asha Trushna Asaktihi. Samsarasya rajjavaha bhavanti. And then fourth one, asmakam samskrutehe bijam kim asti. For that, just now I read out, the not in an orderly manner the questions are given. So, vasudhaiva kutumbakamiti asmakam samskrutehe bijam. That is there, last line in the page 35. I can show them. Vasudhaiva kutumbakamiti asmakam samskrutehe bijam. Bijam asti. Then fifth sentence, question. Valmikihi ramokti madhyamena ramayane kim vadati. Kim vadati. Now this is not there, it is said in the Ramayana, but people unnecessarily ascribe. Forget about it. Valmikihi ramokti madhyamena. this is supposed to have been said by Rama. Therefore, Ramokti Madhyamena Valmiki, what does he say in Ramayana? Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi iti Valmikihi Ramokti Madhyamena Ramayane Vadati. That is the answer. Now we will write fast for the sake of our viewers. You can also write this above Janani, etc. You fill in the blanks. Tell me fast.
First one, sir.
First one, huh?
Abhyasa Kuti, first one.
Oh.
Under that, number one, Janani.
Janani. Two.
Shrutayah. Shrutinam Ashayam. Smrutayah.
Smrutaya, sorry.
Smrutayah.
Smrutaya Pratipadayanti.
Yeah. Number three. Vanyah.
You read the sentence, how I will.
Pakshinam
Api.
dash bhavanti.
Vanyah. Next.
Fourth one, Shabdarashihi bhashayaha dash asti.
Tanuhu asti.
Tanuhu asti.
Fifth.
Sarvaha dash kutumbarupaha bhavanti.
Sarvaha dash. What is that? Sarvaha? Sarvaha bhuvaha. Bhuvaha. Next.
Number two.
2. Why 2?
Section 1, section 2.
Section 2. Okay. Section 2. Question
Question number
1. Okay. This is section 1. What is the answer?
First, Kedve Smruti Prasiddhe Staha.
Kedve. So, Manusmrutihi.
Yajnavalkya Smrutihi.
Smruticha Prasiddhi. Next.
Chaturdashasu bhuvaneshu kedve bhuvau prasiddhe staha.
So, Chaturdashasu bhu. That will be there. Chaturdashasu bhuvaneshu. Chaturdashasu bhuvaneshu kedve bhuvo prasiddhe staha. Bhulokaha. So, answer I am writing. Bhurlokaha. Sandhi I have made here. Bhuvarlokaha.
Number 3. Kaha samsarasya rajjamaha bhavanti.
Now they are listed at beginning with Pritihi, you can tell.
Pritihi. Snehaha. Asha.
Just Sneha, Asha.
Asha. Trishna. Ityetaha samsara rajjamaha.
Samsare. Etc. Fourth one.
अस्माकं संस्कृतेः बीजं किम् अस्ति?
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This is the answer. Asmakam. Fifth one.
वाल्मीकिः रामोक्ति माध्यमेन रामायणे किं वदति?
Janani.
जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी.
Janani. Janmabhumischa. Swargadapi. This is the answer. So we can leave this page, go to next 38 page. Some more exercises are there here. Adholikhitanam padanam vachanam antima varnam cha nidishati. Now you have to suppose here to find out the number and the ending final letter of the following words. This is a very oral practice and also keen observation is required. Bhashaha. What is the number? Is it singular, plural or dual?
Singular.
No. Bhashaha. Bhasha, bhashe, bhashaha. Plural na, bahuvachanam. Visarga is there na, Srinivas. Bhashaha. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. This is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda like Lata, Late, Lataha. So Vachanam is bahuvachanam. So you simply write in your notebooks plural or bahuvachanam. Ba stands for Bahu, Va stands for Vachanam. So Bahuvachanam. Antya Nirdeshaha, what is the final letter here? Is Akaranta. The Shabda, the noun is A ending noun. Okay, second one, Janani. Singular, Ekavachana singular, Janani, and this is Ikaranta. So you specify in the right column, extreme right, E as the ending of the noun. Shrutihi. This is Ekavachana. Shrutihi Ikaranta. Ikaranta. E, simple vowel, E, not long. Fourth one, Smriti. What is the Vachana number? This is Dvivachana, dual number. Smrutihi. Smruti, Smrutayaha. Therefore, dual number, first you mark and then you go to Ikaranta, E ending, simple E ending, Smruti. Vanyaha. This is Bahuvachana and derivation total would be Vani, Vanyav, Vanyaha. I repeat, Vani, Vanyav, Vanyaha. This is plural, Bahuvachana and Ikaranta. In the Antya Nirdesha, the ending final letter of the Vani is Ikaranta. Sixth one, Asaktihi. This is singular, Ekavachana, and the final letter, ending letter is Ikaranta. I. Then seventh one, Tanuhu. Singular, Ekavachana, Ukaranta. Tanuhu, Ukaranta. Pritihi. This is Ekavachana singular and Ikaranta. Rajjuhu. This is also Ekavachana. Rajjuhu, Rajju, Rajjavaha, Ukarantaha. Then we go to 10th one, Bhuvaha. This is plural, Bahuvachana. Bhuhu, Bhuvau, Bhuvaha. It looks like Ekavachana, but it is not Ekavachana. The singular of it is Bhuhu, Bhuvau, Bhuvaha. Bahuvachana, plural number of the word, and the word ending final letter is Ukaranta. This we may have to show them, remember. Then Bhumihi, Ekavachana singular, it is Ikaranta Strilinga. Samskrutihi, this is also ekavachana singular ikaranta. Gariyasi,
Vivachana.
this is ekavachana. And this is the ending should be sakaranta. Gariyas, Gariyan, Gariyaha, Gariyan. So we should take the ending as, but ikaranta you can take it, Gariyasi here. Not, it is sakaranta shabda actually. This is sakaranta shabda, sa ending, final letter. 14th one is bhaktihi, ekavachana and ikaranta, no doubt about it. And finally 15th one asha, it is singular ekavachana and akaranta. You have the book followed by this books. Key of this book, not there, down there. Okay. But this Gariyasi is doubtful there. We have to see in that. Okay, then shall we repeat? Better we repeat, na? Bhasha is bahuvachana, plural akaranta. Janani singular ekavachana ikaranta. Shruti ekavachana singular ikaranta. Smruti dvivachana ikaranta. Vanyaha plural bahuvachana ikaranta. Asaktihi singular ikaranta. Tanuhu singular ukaranta. Pritihi singular ikaranta. Rajjuhu singular ukaranta. Bhuvaha, only this needs to be written. Bhuvaha plural ukaranta. Bhuhu, Bhuvau, Bhuvaha. This is it. Singular, dual, plural. This is the first case. So here it is. This is ukaranta. Next, Bhumihi singular ikaranta. Samskrutihi singular ikaranta. Gariyasi singular sakaranta. Bhaktihi singular ikaranta. Asha singular akaranta. Now we move to the next lesson, Tritiya Pataha. Ajanta Napumsakalingaha Shabdaha. Now we have seen so far, Srinivas, vowel ending feminine nouns we have seen. Vowel ending feminine nouns. And now vowel ending neuter nouns. Ajanta, vowel ending, Napumsaka, neuter, gender, Shabdaha, nouns are coming up here. And read carefully here. The instruction says Ikaranta Napumsaka. Firstly introduced here Ikaranta Napumsakalinga. And you can take it for granted there is no Akaranta. Akaranta Napumsakalinga we have studied. Except that I think we will not have much. Which we studied in the beginning only. Along with masculine Shabda. Pullinga Shabda we studied Akaranta Napumsakalinga. So Ikaranta Napumsakalinga is introduced first time here. Vari, Dadhi, Akshi, Asti. These four are Ikaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdas. Vari, you can see the picture, it is water. Water, but it is given as if it is rain. Rain is also water, but Vari is used as a synonym for water. Vari, Toyam, Jalam, Ambu. These are all. Dadhi, you can see the picture. Dadhi means yogurt, curds. Akshi. Now what is Akshi? Animal is given. What is Akshi is eye. Nothing is specified there. Akshi refers to eye. And that should have been encircled. Eye should have been encircled in the picture. Asti. Now the boy's picture is there who has a fractured arm. Asti means bone. Bone is dislocated maybe. That is why he's got a plaster there. So these four words which are ikaranta ending in e vowel and neuter by gender. Vari, dadhi, akshi, asti. Now ukaranta napumsakas are introduced here. Madhu, madhu. This picture does not very clearly tell you. It is honey. Ukaranta, honey. Honey is called madhu. You know the word madhukaraha, a honey bee. Madhu karoti iti madhukaraha. So, balakasya netrabhyam ekaikam. Oh, I am not reading the sentence. We will read again. Ashru patati. Ashru patati. Ashru is ukaranta napumsakalinga, which means tear. Ekaikam ashru patati. One drop of tear falls. Now we will read. Akashat vari patati. Meaning water falls from the sky. Here what water? Rainwater. Let us say rainwater. Mata dhadi mathnati. Mother is churning the curds. Mata, mother, dhadi, curds, yogurt. Mathnati, churning, is churning. Harinasya akshi ramaniyam. The eye of a deer is lovely. You know, deer have lovely big eyes. So harinasya akshi ramaniyam. The eye of a deer is lovely. Etasya asti bhagnam. Now the picture down description says etasya, this boys, etasya balakasya asti, asti bone, bhagnam asti. Bhagnam asti you can take. Asti bhagnam asti. This boy's bone is broken, dislocated. Kupyam in the bottle, kupyam in the bottle, madhu asti, there is honey. There is honey in the bottle. Balakasya netrabhyam, from the eyes of the boy, ekaikam ashru patati, a drop of tear falls. So this way ikaranta, ukaranta. Some more, two more are there in the following page, 40. Smashru janu, krushakasya smashru krishnam. Krushaka is a farmer, is smashru is a mustache, krishnam black. The farmer's mustache is black. Veerasya janu drudam. The thigh of the wrestler is very firm. Veerasya, the fighter, fighter's janu, thigh, drudam is very strong. Now look at etani vakyani patata. Read these sentences. Vari vahati. Water is falling, flowing. Vari vahati. Water is flowing. Dadhi madhuram asti. Means yogurt is sweet. Curds is sweet. Akshi sundaram asti. Eye is beautiful. Eye is beautiful. Madhu sravati. Honey dips or drips. Honey drips. Sravati flows. Honey flows or drips. Madhu sravati. Vastu asti. There is a thing. There is something. Vastu asti. Ambu patati. Water falls. Ambu vari both mean same. Ambu patati. Water falls. Now, sthulaksharaih likitani padani, words written in bold. Ajanta napumsakalinga shabdanam prathamayaha ekavachana rupani santi. They are derived in the prathama vibhakti nominative case in the singular number. Vari, dadi, akshi, madhu, vastu, ambu. Vari is ikaranta, dadi, akshi are ikarantas, madhu, vastu, ambu. Three are ikarantas, three are ukarantas. Now, next, prathama vibhakti trishu vachaneshu napumsakalinge. Now, all the three numbers are given in the next page here. Adholikitani vakyani patata. Now, reading the following sentences. Akshi sundaram asti. Ekavachana. Dvivachana. Akshini sundare staha. Akshini sundarani santi. See the word akshi changing in from singular to dual, dual to plural, how it is changing, you have to observe. Akshi, akshini, akshini, akshi, akshini, akshini, ekam, akshi, dve, akshini, trini, akshini, trini, akshini, trini, why trini? Chatvari akshini, 4 are there here. Ekam, 1 eye, 2 eyes, 4 eyes. Ekam akshi, dve akshini, chatvari akshini. So that is how. Then smashru, krishnamasti, beard is black. Smashruni, krishne staha, 2 beards are black. Smashruni, krishnani santi, beards are black. Janu, you can see the janu means that thigh. జానుకు బట్ట కట్టాడా ఆఘాతితం థై కంటే లెగ్ జాను థై జాను ఆఘాతితం అస్తి దట్ పిక్చర్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ దట్ ఆజాను ది లెగ్ ఆర్ థై ఈజ్ ఇంజూర్డ్ జానుని ఆఘాతితి స్తః 2 థైస్ ఆర్ ఇంజూర్డ్ జానూని ఆఘాతిత తాని సంతి thighs are injured. We will go to next page. There is nothing more here. Now read the following sentences. Akshi sundaram asti, akshini sundare staha, akshini sundarani santi. Sentences are made here with the derivation, along with the derivation of the akshi word. Asti drudam asti, bone is strong. Astini drude staha, 2 bones are strong. Astini drudani santi, bones are strong. Druda means strong. Vari vahati, water flows. Varini vahataha, 2 waters flow. Varini vahanti, waters are flowing. Madhu sravati, honey drips, flows, drips. Madhuni sravataha, 2 honeys drip. Madhuni sravanti, honeys drip. Vastu tishtati, there is a thing. Vastuni tishtati, 2 things are there. Vastuni tishtanti, things are there. Smashru dirghamasti, the beard is long. Smashruni dirghe staha, 2 beards are long. Smashruni dirghani santi, beards are long. So watch the same words repeated in sentence form here, given in the sentence form here. Now adholikitanam ajanta napumsaka shabdanam prathamayam rupani patata. Now once again see the prathama nominative derivation of the words here. Phala vari madhu, phalam phale phalani. Now we have come to akaranta napumsakalinga shabda. Phalam is akaranta napumsakalinga. Phalam phale phalani. Vari vari, vari varini, varini. Madhu, madhuni, madhuni. So each one, depending on its final ending, letter of ending, whether it is akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, is taking a different derivative form. You have to watch here. Srinivas once again. Phalani, varini, madhuni. What is common in all the 3 plurals is ni is coming at the end. Phalani, varini, madhuni. The in between letter is undergoing change because of the ending. Phalani, ani is coming. In ikaranta, ini is coming. In ukaranta, uni is coming. That is. So if you analyze like this, that will be better. Akaranta, ani. Ikaranta, ini. Ukaranta, madhuni. Madhuni. So something to be noted here. Akarantanam napumsaka shabdanam phala iti shabdavat rupam bodhyam. Now how are the akaranta neuter nouns derived? Like phala only. Phalam, phale, phalani. Like that. Ikarantanam napumsaka shabdanam vari iti shabdavats. So whatever noun you take in ikaranta, that will be derived like vari shabda, vari, varini, varini, vari, varini, varini, varina, varibhyam, varibhihi, varine, etc. etc. Then ukaranta napumsaka shabdanam madhu iti shabdavat rupam. So any noun of neuter gender ending in ukaranta will be derived like madhu, honey. So that is the instruction given here. Savadhanam rupani patata. Now ajanta napumsakalingaha are continued here. Now you see the pratipadikam, the crude form, the base form, and the derivations. Vari is vari in the crude form, pratipadika. Vari, no change in the ekavachana. Varini, varini. Dadi is also same, retained in the ekavachana. Napumsakalinga, it happens so. This is happening only in napumsaka. Whereas if you take pullinga shabda, changes. The Rama shabda is pratipadika, Ramaha. Krishna shabda is pratipadika, Krishnaha. Guru shabda is pratipadika, Guruhu. Visarga comes there. Akshi, akshini, akshini. Madhu stands as it is Madhu. Janu stands as it is Janu, etc. Adho nirdishtanam padanam pratipadikam antyavarnam chalika. Now a little exercise you have to do. First you find out its crude form and then find out its ending letter. Vari, for example, pratipadika. What is the pratipadika? Crude form, base form, vari only. What is the anta, ikaranta? Like that you have to strike. So dadi, ikaranta. Ikaranta. Oh, dadi means dadi only, as it is, dadi, ikaranta. Asti, asti, ikaranta. Akshi, akshi, ikaranta. Sakti, sakti, same, ikaranta. Madhu, madhu, ukaranta. Vastu, vastu, ukaranta. Smashru, smashru, ukaranta. Ambu, ambu, as it is, ukaranta. Ashru, ashru, ukaranta. So mostly e ukaranta sir. Janu, janu, ukaranta. There is nothing. Now by pronunciation you can find out these things, by way of pronunciation. Then we come to Abhyasa 16, and with this we will go to enter into some nice description. Yathodaharanam riktasthanam. Now fill in the blanks here. Sundaram akshi, sundare akshini, sundarani akshini. So madhuram. Now what you are supposed to do? Dadi. Madhuram dadi. Okay. Madhure dadi, dadini, dadini, dadini. Madhure dadini, madhurani dadhini, dadhini. If you have doubt, you have to go back to bit madhuni, dadi, vari, next page, previous page. You can show them 42. Like madhu is given, madhuni, madhuni. Yeah, vari, dadi is like vari. Dadi is not there, na? Where?
Dadi is there. Second. Page number 43.
43, I am looking 42. Yeah, dadi is there. Dadi, dadini, dadhini. So that is it. Then next one, phalitam. Phalitam, smashru. Phalite, smashruni. Phalitani, smashruni. Smashruni. Phalitam means white. White beard. White beard. Drudam, asti. Drude, asthini. Drudani, astini. Pingam, akshi. Pinge, akshini. Pingani, akshini. Brown, red eye. Pingam is red, reddish. Sitalam, ambu. Sitale, ambuni. Sitalani, ambuni. Cool water. Suskam, daru. Suske, daruni. Suskani, daruni. Daru. Daru means wood. Dry wood.
Ini or
Daruni. Which one? Ni. Ordinary. Daruni. 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 Then adhikam madhu. Adhike madhuni. Adhikani madhuni. Dirgham janu. Dirghe januni. Dirghani januni. So this is how. Do you think we will need to write them? Better. Write out this. Tell me from Madura and Dadi. Yeah, tell me the first one.
Madhuram Dadi.
Madhuram. I think I need not write this actually. Madhuram.
Dadi. Dadini.
Dadini. Dadhi.
Dadini. 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 Khalitam Shmashru. Smashru. Smashru.
Smashru, correct? Smashru. Smashru.
Smashru.
Smashru. Oh, here we are wrong. This is wrong. Smashru. Smashruni. Smashruni.
Drudam Asti. Drudam Asti. Astini.
Astini. Astini.
Pingam Akshi. Akshini.
Akshi.
Ni.
Akshini. Akshini.
Shitaram Ambu.
ఎట్లా ఇచ్చాడు వాడు అదే ఇచ్చాడు కదా శీతలం అంబు
Ambuni. Ambuni.
నెక్స్ట్
Shushkam Daru.
దారు
दारुणी दारुणी अधिकम
अधिकम
अधिकम मधु
अधिकम what?
मधु
मधु ना
दीर्घम जानु जानुनी
जानूनी 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 any more? Okay. Time is also
So can you tell me when this ini will come?
where?
Normally ni is coming.
Ana
Ana when it
before ra factor
is ra and
daruni daruni rasha ra and sha
sha.
sha rashabhyam no naha samana pade, that is rasha. When they come, they influence not to become ana. We get it by practice only, not like that.
Sha and
Rakara and Shakara, Rashabhyam. Samana, same letter. In spite of vowels interfering also. I will explain in the next class. Shivam Bhuyat.